special view. We're at the Suytun Cenote, and there are a lot of people here, more than I expected there to be. But I've actually set up a little time lapse, so we'll see how that comes out. I have half-second exposures in an interval of 1 second. I've already taken my Nikon F100, shot a quick photo using Kodak Gold, and I'm hoping it won't be too shaky. It might be a little shaky, but you know, we'll have to see how that comes out. What's really nice and special about this cenote is you can actually go take a swim. So I'm definitely gonna hop in that water pretty soon. So this is definitely one of those like expectation versus reality places. Like sometimes there are a lot of tourists here, sometimes there are like not a lot of tourists here. There are people lining up right now taking their little shots. So you can see right here. If you are liking this video so far, please feel free to drop a comment below, like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, you know, hang out with us. We like making this content, and I hope you like all these views. Well, finally made it to Chichen Itza. It's about 2.5 hours away from the resort area in Tulum. I'm still holding my Nikon F100. I just took a couple photos. People are everywhere. You know, this is like the Taj Mahal, but of Mexico. Basically, right? Different religious beliefs, obviously. Really pretty eco park. I kind of wish we brought like a picnic lunch or something. Still shooting with the Nikon F100, Kodak Gold. So apparently the Mayans used to like sacrifice people and push them down these giant stairs. It's kind of one of the lures of Chichen Itza, is people want to come look at these sacrificial areas. I don't know a ton about the topic. We can Google it probably later. Maybe I'll put a little caption down here. Disclaimer that I am not an expert, but it's still pretty cool. Everybody's still really enjoying this whole scene. So it's pretty typical in the wet season of the tropics that it'll just rain randomly for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the downpour will be really torrential. And then all of a sudden it'll clear up, which we see over here. It's kind of, we get these really dramatic clouds as a result, and I'm having a really fun time. It's so beautiful out here right now. Hey everyone, so we just made it over to Muyil Temple, and this is my sister, by the way. Her name is Jess. I thought that my lens was only shooting a 35 to 70 millimeter lens. It wasn't wide enough. So I'm actually borrowing my sister's lens. It's for a DX camera. It's a 12 to 24, but on full frame mode, I can really functionally use it between 18 and 24 with a 1.5 crop factor. Jess, where'd you get the lens?
I bought it from this guy.
Yeah, so I actually switched from Nikon to Sony. So now I shoot Sony for my digital stuff, and I guess using this iPhone. But it's kind of fun. I get reunited with this lens so I can get a wider view for Muyil Temple. So let's go take a quick shot.
Sound good?
Cool. And I will have to manually focus. So if it's blurry, apologies in advance. We're just climbing this fire tower out here at the biological preserve. It's called Sian Ka'an. It's maybe like 20 minutes south of Tulum, but climbing this fire tower reveals a pretty sick view. I didn't bring a camera or anything, I just thought I'd let you guys know we're gonna go on a little boat ride. Oh, that's such a cute angle. Oh, he's such a cute dog. Oh, I want you, Terry.